Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing how you can create your own Rumble channel. Rumble is a video sharing platform and a cloud services business that wants to compete with traditional social media sites. First, go to rumble.com. Click on the account icon at the top. Click on My Content. Scroll down to the bottom and then click Create a Channel from the right-hand tab. Now enter your channel name, your channel title and then write some description of the channel. Upload channel cover art and then profile picture. Finally, click Create button to create your Rumble channel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.